Gates open, they're up and racing. Harrod's Magic draws for your lead. Moving a party outside, sweet loving. LB runners, then comes Hold Your Arms. Has it coming, comes next, then by the rail is Euromax running on the outside, pass forward Island Friend. Yes sir, I'm yours, followed by entry number 10 Strike Force, while So Real is running in behind them. Past the 3-4 mile pole, Harrod's Magic this time by about 6 lengths. Hold Your Arms is in second, down in third, Sweet Loving, Elgin and German. Has it coming, is down in fifth by the rail, moving a party outside, pass forward. Euromax is sneaking in down on the inside, followed by Yes Sir, I'm Yours. Is Strike Force moving up, So Real and Island Friend now bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 600, Harrod's Magic continues to dictate terms, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Running in second still is the favorite, Hold Your Arms, and moving a party outside is number 2, and that is Euromax by the rail to take third. Is entry 2A, and that's Sweet Loving as they swing to the last 450. Harrod's Magic still leading the field. Hold Your Arms is already outside, throwing a challenge as they swing for home. Now we have Hold Your Arms, the favorite, takes the lead from Harrod's Magic. Sweet Loving still in third, and already outside fourth is the stablemate, and that's Euromax. So Real moving up already outside to take fifth. With the last 100 meters more to run, Hold Your Arms is stretching its leads to about 8 lengths, and finally Hold Your Arms. Second, So Real coming from last. Third is Harrod's Magic. Then comes Sweet Loving. Number 2, Euromax.
Nakita po natin, doon pala sa may 5-8 mile post, segundo pwestong malayo, yung nanalong numero 4 Hold Your Arms. Inunti-unti lang, kinuwang bandera bago mag-ultimo kwarto or yung last 400 meters. Pagdating ng rekta, never look back. Beating yung nasigundong So Real, which is yung So Real, kung napansin nyo, Bayan Karista, medyo nahuli po siya sa talon, pero ayan, ang layo ng hinabol. Anyway, sa ating winner take all, ang matitira po dyan is 55,533. Okay, winning time, 1 minute 44 seconds flat with quarter times of 26.5, 24, 25.5. Coming home at 28 para po sa distansyang